Sammy's on top of the camera. I'm trying to take a movie of him with my fishy so you can see all at once. But no, he wants to be on me. Sammy only ever wants to be on me. Sammy! Sammy! Are you mad because I'm trying to put you on there? You don't like the fishy? Okay. Here you go. Go up there. Aw, what a beautiful view. It is a silhouette of a beautiful cockatiel. Oh, Sammy! And here's his little bells hanging here. And this is such a temporary place, just sometimes when he wants to look out the window a little bit. And then here's Fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Give us a smile, Fishy. Oh, he flared out. Fishy's quite playful. Fishy flare. Flare, Fishy. There we go, flaring on up for us. And here's our little Sammy. Sammy. Want to step up? Yeah. Sammy's very happy. I listen to the wind of my soul. Where I'll end up, where I think only God really knows. So here's me and Sammy. We're happy here. Mwah. Do you want to give me a kiss? I bet you want to give me a kiss. I bet you do want to give me a kiss. Birdie kiss. Mwah. Yes, everything's going good. He doesn't think I should have glasses on, but... Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, say something, Sammy. Say something, Sammy. Come on. Oh my God. Anyways, he's not real talkative right now, but where are you going? Well, I have a giant cockatiel head in front of me. I love the smell of cockatiels. Well, Slim Whitman song's coming on, so I think I'll spare you. I'll spare you that and say goodbye. Sammy, can you say goodbye? Please don't be rude. Anyways, bye. Everything's very, very soon.